right, today is Tuesday, April the 30th. Today was a big day. Today was a real big day. So as we come around here, look at these beauties. I mean, that just looks amazing. Exactly how we were hoping they would turn out. Really just looks fantastic. So both garage doors in. Of course, we go in our side door here. As you can see, they're fully insulated garage doors, and we went with the side mount garage door openers, so no big old garage door opener in the center. We've got these side mount ones here, which are just fantastic. Got the cool controls right there. Started working on stuff today. Bob came in and posted up all the different tile pictures that we're gonna have in all the rooms. So I have the feeling they are going to start the tiling process pretty soon here, because when we came to the master bathroom, they'd already done some work here on doing the concrete down on the floor there, prepping it for the floor tile, and Bob's got the picture there of what's going in. Of course, our fantastic fireplace there. Tile for here in the kitchen. And of course, work on prepping our floor in the shower here. Tile information there. And our towel information for the bathroom. Definitely a huge day. Very excited. Those garage doors just turned out amazing. Whole thing just looks fantastic. Another very exciting day.